Kanban methodology in project management, a complete guide. Every industry wants to enhance its productivity and efficiency during project completion, and in order to achieve that goal, Kanban methodology is used. Kanban methodology is a visualization technique in agile project management. Kanban project management is a powerful methodology that can help teams stay on track while allowing flexibility and agility. With its visual representation of progress, teams can quickly identify problems in their workflow and work together to find solutions. It encourages team collaboration and communication, as well as the better overall quality of projects. Additionally, its efficiency and effectiveness make it an attractive option for many projects.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Kanban principles and practices. The 4 principles of Kanban methodology. Start with now. Focus on what you are doing now. Fully understand the processes already in place, including what works and what doesn't. Take an incremental approach. Look at how to slowly change your processes over time. Avoid implementing radical changes. Keep roles. Unlike other frameworks that promote their own unique roles, Kanban emphasizes working with the roles your team already has. Encourage leadership. Innovation and ideas for improvement should be promoted at all levels. Encourage every employee to act as a leader, regardless of role or title. Kanban methodology's 6 core practices are: visualize the workflow. Kanban requires using a physical or virtual board to visualize how work flows from one stage to the next. Limit work in progress. Each project team needs to set a limit to how many tasks are allowed to be in each stage of the workflow at once. If you have 5 reviewers, you may limit the review stage to having no more than 5 tasks in it at once. Actively manage the workflow. As a project manager, your primary role is to monitor the workflow for bottlenecks and adjust, remove roadblocks, and improve efficiency. Create process guidelines. Have clearly communicated guidelines on how work is completed, what done means, etc. This can be a checklist in each column or on each card outlining what is required for it to move to each stage. Use feedback loops. Use tools and processes to promote early and continual feedback. This can mean multiple review stages or reports and metrics communicating performance. Evolve. As with other agile frameworks, adapting, evolving, and improving your processes is encouraged. Focus on developing and implementing small changes to improve your workflow and processes. The next section talks about the benefits that the organizations will receive from implementing Kanban methodology. Benefits of Kanban project management. The primary benefits of the Kanban methodology are: flexibility. Kanban doesn't dictate which work occurs when, simply how many tasks are allowed in each phase at once. This approach makes it incredibly easy to reshuffle work as priorities change. Fewer bottlenecks. Kanban boards help you quickly identify bottlenecks in the process so you can discover and resolve what's slowing down your team. Increased efficiency. While Kanban doesn't have a set schedule, a key metric is often the average time it takes for a task to complete the workflow. This emphasis on how quickly or slowly tasks move through phases can help increase efficiency and speed up output. Better quality. By limiting the number of tasks your team can work on at once, you help improve their focus and the quality of their work. Faster adoption. Kanban encourages starting with your current processes and roles and making small changes. This approach helps teams embrace the change more easily. Visibility. Anyone can look at your Kanban board and quickly see what stage a task is in and who is working on it. What is a Kanban board? The Kanban board is a physical or virtual board that maps out your project's workflow and how tasks move through it from beginning to completion. A Kanban board ensures the workflow is standardized and that team members can easily see where each task is in the overall scheme. The most basic Kanban board only has 3 workflows: to do, in progress, and complete. But columns can be added or changed to suit your project. Each task is represented as a card and placed on the board in the column representing its current stage of work. As tasks progress, the card is moved throughout the workflow. Each card will contain information about the task, 10 best tools for Kanban project management. Monday. Com. Reich. Height. ClickUp. Joho projects. Companize. Kanban tool. Breeze. Meister task. Project manager.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.